Microsoft recently announced the release of Windows 11, the latest version of its desktop operating system. It comes with a new, clean, beautiful feel for enhanced productivity. However, despite the new features in the Windows update, many consumers still need to decide whether to make the switch. This is primarily due to the stricter system requirements for the OS, as well as the stability and compatibility aspects. Over half of all Windows devices are not Windows 11 ready. Here's a closer look at why this is the case. One of the most significant changes in Windows 11 is the requirement for a Trusted Platform Module 2.0, or TPM 2.0. Those whose computers don't have TPM 2.0 will need to modify the registry mid-install or create a Windows 11 USB flash drive that will bypass Windows 11's TPM requirement. Along with this TPM restriction, there's also the compatibility issue. Pre-2017 CPUs won't be supported by Windows 11, which means that people with Intel 7th generation and 1st generation AMD Zen CPUs won't even be able to upgrade to Windows 11. Additionally, Windows 11 not only has more bugs than Windows 10, there's also a problem with memory leaks. But hey, sometimes you just want the newest features as soon as you can get them. And we here at MyChoiceSoftware can not only respect that, we can also provide you with the best and most current upgrade and installation options. We offer great value on our products with discounts and coupons, making sure that you get the very best deals on all your software needs.